My name is Adia Lumana, a business analyst with Teampact. In this video, I demonstrate how to use Blueworks Live to map a business process. Creating a process map in Blueworks is as easy as creating a bulleted list, which you can reorder by dragging and dropping. So let's create a new process blueprint. Let's give that a name. This usually starts with a discovery map, which simulates the traditional sticky notes you can move up and move around. It's a very useful way to capture the output of brainstorming sessions for your process projects. The discovery map is made up of milestones and activities. A milestone is a significant phase or checkpoint in your process, while activities are the steps that are completed within a milestone. You can update milestone and activity names by typing over them. You can add a new milestone or activity by clicking the Add Milestone or Add Activity button. Once you've created your initial discovery map and are ready to start describing the flow work in more detail, just go to the process diagram view. You can create diagram, and Blueworks Live will create your process map for you. Now, the milestones from the discovery map are represented in the vertical column, and the activities are in the single swim lane. We can rename the swim lane by clicking on the label on the left and typing in the role or function, or selecting from the list if you have a glossary already. You can add milestones or swim lanes by clicking the plus next to the milestone, or the swim lane where you would like to add a new swim lane, and then you can rename that. And now our final step is to insert a gateway. Notice that Blueworks Live has labeled the paths as yes and no and has placed an endpoint. You can rearrange this by dragging it until you see a gray bar and then dropping it. And that's it. We have created our first process blueprint. Now, one of the key benefits of using Blueworks Live is how easy it is to use, and several users can work together on the same process from any location. It also has an integrated glossary, which helps build a common language and standardized naming across your processes. Well, I hope you found this useful. Please take a few minutes to watch the next videos in the series. Analyze and improve processes with Blueworks Live, and using Blueworks Live process metrics to calculate the cost and benefits for improvements. If you would like any information about the tools or techniques shared in this video, please contact us on sales@t-impact.com. The contact details are at the end of this video. Thank you.